1688 app is the best app. It is the best. It is the best app that you can use to import directly from manufacturers in China. Guys, there has been lots of arguments online about different apps that you can use to import products and get the best deals and the best quality. People will tell you, oh, you can use Pindodo. Why? Because on Pindodo they don't charge you for shipping. That's the local shipping. You're not paying for the local shipping, you're not paying for this, and if you compare the prices are cheaper. Some will tell you if you go onto Taobao, you'll be getting good products and you will get them at good prices. Some will tell you use made in China, some will tell you use Alibaba, some will tell you use this, use that, use this. Now let's clear this. Look at me. If you want to buy from China and you're buying to sell and you want to be able to see different suppliers selling that particular product, not just 10 suppliers, 20, you want to see thousands of suppliers selling a particular product, you will find that on 1688. 1688 is like a global online market for the Chinese people. It used to be a local market before 2025, 2026. It used to be a local online store for the Chinese people, but currently it is a global market for B2B market. Do you understand me? For B2B commerce. So if you want to buy goods, especially those of us that are buying to resell, trust me, the best app where you will get the best deals and you will get loads of suppliers, so you can check quality, check prices, check everything you want to check. You will get that for free on 1688 app. Now the reason why some persons are arguing this is because they don't know how to source for suppliers. They don't know how to source. Some of you, the only method you know that you can use to source for suppliers is to type the name of the product. For instance, let's use bags. You go to 1688, you type ladies handbag, and that's how you know how to source. Some of you, the only method you know is using the camera icon. For some of you, the only method you know is what again? But if you see somebody that knows how to source, I need to hang this mic so we'll talk better. If you see people that know how to source suppliers, they will always tell you that 1688 is the number one. There are different methods that you can use to source for suppliers on 1688, and you will get best deals. I'm going to be showing you all of those in subsequent videos. Apart from typing the name of the product, apart from using the camera icon, you can type the name of the product, you get a particular supplier selling that product. Now from that supplier's end, you can use that supplier's store to search for more suppliers that are selling the same product. You will get loads of them. You can use review section to source for suppliers. You can use my people. There are different ways that you can use to source for suppliers. I'll be teaching you that in subsequent videos. Just ensure you're stick to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Now, I started by saying that 1688 is the best. It is the number one app that you can use to source for products, you can use to buy and pay and ship down to Nigeria. Apart from the section of you sourcing for the best supplier, it is that app that gives you flexible payment gateways, flexible payment options. You don't necessarily need to have a Chinese bank card for you to use 1688 successfully. You don't necessarily need to have a verified Alipay account for you to use 1688 successfully. You can use a Visa card. You can use a MasterCard. You can... Hello? There are different payment options for you. Those that are based in China can even do buy now, pay later. Which other app gives you that? But let's talk about the one that concerns us international buyers, right? There are different ways you can use. And another method that you can use to get product at best price is negotiation. Some of you don't know how to negotiate, especially those of you that are buying in bulk. Now, if you're buying pieces, you might not really get that much discount. But for those that are buying in bulk, for instance, if I want to buy shoes, I buy in several cartons. So if I am buying from my suppliers on 1688 app, I will not just add to cart and proceed to payment. No, sometimes it takes us up to 3 days. Do you understand? It takes me and my supplier up to 3-4 days for us to come to a unified conclusion. Why? Because we are bargaining. I cannot just add to cart and proceed to payment. Mbano, with the quantity I'm buying, no, it will not work that way. We negotiate and we get best deals. That is why you will see somebody selling a particular bag in Nigeria for 20,000 naira. That is based on the person's cost price. Another person can bring that same bag, I'm not talking about different qualities now, same quality, that same bag, and be selling it for 15k. And now you'll be asking, is it not the same bag I bought for so yuan that this person is selling 15k? Is this person not making profit? They are making profit, but the price they got from their supplier based on the quantity they are buying, it is not the same with your own price because of the quantity you bought or your negotiating power. It's not the same. So they can sell for 15k, make profit, while you're struggling to sell for 20k and make profit. Are you getting me? So for those of you that are buying in bulk and you're using 1688, my advice, learn how to negotiate. These people don't understand English. Nowadays you can type with English and the app would translate it for them. But if you want to negotiate well, make sure you're typing everything for them in Chinese language. Don't do it in English for the app to translate. No, use your own translating app now to translate and type. Be active when you're chatting them and know the right time to meet them online. You already know they are 7 hours ahead of our own time, so know the right time, the business time from 9 a.m. you should be chatting them. That's when you see them online. You can be getting response immediately. You tell them you want to buy cause if you come to them for discount, the first question, those of you that have chatted them for discount, the first question they'll ask you is how many are you buying, how many do you want, how many this, how many pieces. If you tell them you're buying just 2, they'll say no, proceed to payment, just go and pay. But you don't tell them, oh, I'm buying up to 10, I'm buying 20, I'm buying 30. Hello, they'll tell you, okay, I'm going to change the price. They will go first, they'll change the price. You will see the notification that your price has been changed. You tell them, no, I cannot be buying 50 and you're giving me this discount, maybe 2 you want discount on each. No, you will tell them, they'll tell you, okay, what do you want them to do? You tell them, okay, I want 7 you want, I want 10 you want discount. This is how you go back and forth. You get the best deals from them. Another thing I want you all to know when it comes to getting best deal, you get best deals when you're buying from direct manufacturers. People still argue with me that there are no manufacturers on 1688 app. There are factories, there are manufacturers on 1688 app. I don't know how we are going to say this. I don't know how to explain this. When it comes to these Chinese people, they understand the business chain. I mean, the business hierarchy, from the manufacturers to the distributor to the wholesalers to the retailers. Now, all of this, you will find them on 1688 app. Yes, you might not be able to buy directly from manufacturers because of their high MOQ, but you can be buying from the second level, which are the distributors. These distributors, they also have high MOQ, but it is not as high as those of the manufacturers. Manufacturer might be giving you MOQ of 100 pieces or 500 pieces, while your distributor will tell you buy 30. MOQ of 30. Have you seen it? They'll tell you MOQ of 30 pieces. Why? Because they have other people that are buying through them. Now they are not the ones manufacturing it. The distributors are not the manufacturers, but because they already have customers, if you go onto their page on 1688, you see that they have this this bull head. They are trusted merchants. They are trusted. They have lots of deals. They have lots of customers. Now, if I come and I'm buying 30, another person is buying 30, another person is buying 30, when they put it up together, it is up to the manufacturer's MOQ. So they can collect your money, collect like this, buy from the manufacturers and then share it according to their own MOQ, which is 30-30. Or sometimes they can equally use their money. They are strong merchants, but they are no manufacturers sometimes, right? They can use their own money to buy these products directly from the manufacturers. Do you understand? They will beat the MOQ of the manufacturer. If the manufacturers is giving them 500 pieces MOQ, they will buy it. When they bring it now, you that you're buying 30, I am buying 30. Isime is buying 30. Sobi is buying 30. And Yola is buying 30. 30, 30. Do you understand? They'll be able to sell it out. They have the customers. They have the buying power. So this is how their own distribution chain works. The manufacturers are there, the distributors are there, and then the wholesalers. You can also get wholesalers on 1688. So if you're bargaining price with an wholesaler or a retailer and you're buying in bulk, you might not really get the best deal. Why? Because these wholesalers are buying from distributors. But if you know how to source suppliers and you're buying either from manufacturers or the distributors, you are definitely going to get good deals if you meet their MOQ, if you meet their minimum order quantity. For those of you that don't know what MOQ is MOQ, minimum order quantity. You will get best deals if you're buying from distributors and the manufacturers. You will even get good deals if you're buying from wholesalers compared to where you're buying from retailers. On 1688, there are retailers. You will see their own price looking ridiculous. They also bought and they added their own profit because everybody can post on there. Now, see this 1688 app like your Jumia e-commerce platform. Anybody can sell on Jumia. Anybody can sell on Jumia. It is when you're buying from these retailers most times that you get scammed. Most of them just list products that they don't even have, and when you buy from them, you pay them maybe offline, they send rubbish, they block you. They send rubbish, you cannot get them again. You need to know how to source suppliers. I usually see, if you learn sourcing, you are done with importation from China using app. If you learn sourcing, you are good to go. You are so good to go. Sourcing is key. Not even how to pay. Payment. All of you, your own problem is how to pay with my Alipay. Nah, that should not even be your problem for now. Learn how to source. For those of you that are still scared, you're saying, "Only I cannot source." So I already have a list, a compiled list of suppliers, both manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers that you can buy from. We don't have retailers. In fact, we have just few wholesalers on there. Majorly what we have there are distributors, manufacturers. That list, over 70 different suppliers of different products. How much? 25k. 25k, you get this list. There are bags there, shoes there, clothing there, electricals there, phone accessories there, different products, 70 of them, 70 plus. We are adding as we verify. I don't just add randomly. Somebody was telling me, "Only you said you are going to add more." Yes, I don't add randomly. I buy from these people. I check them out before I add their list there, their contacts or their links there. Do you get me? I don't just add random contact there. No, I verify them. I go extra to verify them. That is why if you check on there, I don't have phones. Some of you have been asking me, "Only I need suppliers contact for phones." I don't easily give suppliers contact for phones. Why? If you want to buy phones, especially those of you that are buying refurbished and reused phones, I will not give you those contacts. Why? Because these Chinese people sometimes they run mental. It is better you buy from somebody that is there, somebody that can verify. Only if you're buying those their new Chinese phone, new phones now that you see on 1688, not the reused one or the refurbished one. No, I will not give you those contacts. The new ones, yes, new one that will work globally, not just Chinese version, global version, you can get them. Do you understand me? So that's that though. In subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how to source. I think I need to start putting out this video here, how to source for suppliers. Good one. Later on, we'll do how to negotiate. So if you want to get that our list, our 70 plus manufacturers list of 1688 suppliers, it is 25,000 naira. You can send a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number you're seeing on the screen right now, or better still, you can use the link you see down in the description, the first link. Use it and go place order on seller. You get access to that list compilation. You will find it useful. If you don't want to be buying from random people, you want to buy from suppliers that are tested and trusted, get this list, 25k only, and you're good to go. So that's that about this video. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.